What about love? Love is a common subject used in books, movies, and plays, but how the writers, producers, etc. use it changes everything. Sometimes love can look like it's so easy to handle or that it works just like in our dreams. But in the play Once, who is based on the 2017 film created by John Carney, and the wall shows us that love isn't as simple as it seems. First of all, in the play Once, we can see a man singing songs of unrequited love and seems to have a broken heart. At first, it looks like they have no interest in each other because she needs to protest to get him up and go fix her vacuum cleaner. But then, he doesn't want her to go. We can see a flame slowly burning inside him. Unfortunately, the girl is already married and she even forces him to call his ex-girlfriend and repair things. It's a sad situation because he finally gets over his ex-girlfriend, but the woman who helped him get over her wants him to go back to her. Secondly, the girl, at the beginning of the play, acts like she really wants him to get over his ex-girlfriend and tries helping him with music and getting his mind off of her. She acts friendly at first, but after a while, we can see that there's an attraction between them. She keeps pushing it away because she knows she already has she's already married to someone else, and that's why she forces him to call his ex-girlfriend at the end, even though it breaks her heart. As you can see, even though two people love each other, they cannot be together just because the world decided that they already had someone else. Love isn't simple. You cannot get all what you want if it doesn't mean hurting other people. But sometimes you need to think about yourself and do what's best for you, or else you'll get hurt.